All my designs were created using Tinkercad, then printed on a Bamboo Labs P1P 3D printer. The images that I applied to my keychain boxes are all printed on high-quality vinyl sticker paper. I cut the stickers out using my Cricut Explorer Air 2. I mean, look at that, perfect cut. Using some 3D printed parts, a suction motor, and a power supply, I converted a mini desktop drill press into a sticker alignment and application tool. To protect and enhance the images, I use a hard, clear UV resin and employ a technique called doming or pillowing. Although you can put a dime-sized amount of UV resin on the image and then place it directly on the resin table in the background, I like to speed things up just a little bit. Once I'm satisfied with the resin coverage, I place it on the leveling table and let it sit for a few minutes. I sped up the leveling time and the amount of time that the UV light is actually on, which is actually a minute. Now that the resin is fully cured, I can dry fit the colored frame and then set it aside to be glued on later. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video and visit my store, Lost to Arrow 3D Prints. You have a great day.